What does a video collaboration managed service look like for you? Here at New Era Technology, we support your organization on every step of your video collaboration journey. From detailed planning and design conception right through to managing and supporting your video spaces, we ensure maximum uptime and enhanced ROI on your investment. We understand that every organization is unique, which is why we conduct a thorough assessment of your organizational needs, including existing rooms, spaces, and technologies. We also engage key stakeholders to align your workflows, technology preferences, and overall project objectives. Our expert AV design team will create flexible, functional video spaces that embrace the latest modern work technologies and put your users' needs and company objectives at the core. With global installation capabilities, unbeatable project management teams, and strong partner relationships, New Era will streamline your entire global installation, giving you more efficient deployments every time. Our Customer Command Center for Collaboration, C3, offers a single pane of glass view into your video collaboration ecosystem, whether the technology deployed is from single or multiple vendors. With enhanced remote monitoring and management capabilities, we can remotely identify and fix issues without the need for on-site technicians, increasing uptime and efficiency. Our global team of experts support our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, through a single SLA, covering multiple vendors and simplifying your support contract. Accelerate your video collaboration experience today with New Era Technology.